Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to discuss in MI mobile for a selected operator how will you activate and deactivate call waiting services. Call waiting services are those services if you are on a call and if some other person is calling, you will hear that person will hear that you are on another call and you will just see a tone in between the call. So if you want to activate or deactivate this facility on your mobile phone for a particular operator, then how will you do that? We are going to discuss in video, so not wasting much of your time. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just coming to the setting, go to the apps and here system app setting, call setting and call waiting. Now here you can activate or deactivate for selected operator. This is a dual SIM mobile, so I have using those two SIMs. I will select Vodafone. If I want to activate call waiting services for Vodafone number, just tap it on, turn on. Now it will be updated. It is being updated and the service will be activated. During a call, it will notify me for any other incoming calls for Vodafone number. So if I want to deactivate it, just turn it off and now it will be deactivated for this Vodafone number. If I want to do this for my Airtel number, I will do the same thing with the Airtel number. So it is activate now. Now I will deactivate for the second operator. This is one way. The second way how to deactivate and activate is through dialing a number. For activating, *43#. Then for 1 and 2, these are two operators, the first SIM and the second SIM. If I want to activate for first SIM, I will dial it by first SIM. It is being dialed and now you will see here something, call waiting services has been enabled. If I want to disable it, what the code is #43# and now dial it. Okay, now after some time it will say that the services have been deactivated. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.